Hey everybody, we're gonna do a nice little quick video today to talk about certain enhancements for photos, and it's something very quick on the fly to do. It's gonna be Luminar AI. Luminar 4 is very similar. They're almost identical, but there are a lot of features that are different here versus here. I think you have more here than you do here, but this is a different layout, a different interface, and it's a really amazing app. Let's go ahead and open up Luminar AI, and we're going to pick up where I left off. We're going to look at a really nice Austin shot of downtown Austin. At least this is the shot that I have. And you see how boring the sky is? Now, there's a lot of things I could do here. And I've already cataloged and then gone to edit here, so there's some really cool AI things. Composition, huh? That looks good to me. My composition was already on point. Huh. Okay, so you see this augmented sky. There's a sky selection. And this is what I wanted to talk about. Sky selection is really amazing for photos that have a sky because this is artificial intelligence. That's what AI is. And you can basically choose any of these and replace the sky. Look at that. We've got the galaxy nebula. So this one to me stands out. Let's put it in. Isn't that amazing? Like you can just put a sky in there. It's really amazing. But I don't like this one. Let's see. Let's try this one. Oh, I don't like the helicopter in that photo. I don't know why they didn't crop out the helicopter. If I wanted to make it look like it was nighttime. That's pretty neat too. I guess we can just stay in here. So that's kind of pretty close to what I had with the photo being just kind of like meh. I mean, it was a clear blue sky. So if I wanted, I could go with this too. I actually think that's a really good photo, sky background. That one is a little dramatic for me. I could totally go with the clouds if I wanted. Me, personally, I like this. This looks good. We're going to go with that. Like, if I wanted to have a little jet streak going on, I could. But, I don't know. That one I feel is too much like, I mean, the sky is pretty, but it doesn't really feel good with the photo. This has a good feel for the photo. So does this one. But I feel like that's a very standard, fluffy cloud. Personally, I like the little swirls. It feels more like it's painted on the sky, even though it's the sky. But yeah, there's a lot of different templates here. So you can change the sky with this. Aurora. Holy crap. That's awesome. We can add balloons. Oh, neato. Check this out. Look, we're having fun now. So if I wanted to put birds in my photo. Oh, wow. That almost looks 3D right there. That's pretty neat. Birds too. Okay, those are bigger birds. They're shadows though, so I don't really want to do that. But you get the idea, right? Oh, look, we can add some clouds in there. Not that I want to add more clouds, but I guess I could put, fluffy clouds in there. Think of it like a paintbrush, except that it's putting it wherever. Oh, that's actually not bad in the photo, but that's a lot of clouds. I feel that's too much. We're just going to go through this where you're able to see all of the different things that you can do with Luminar AI. It is a costly app. I am not going to lie. Oh, look, I can add an eagle in here. That's pretty cool, though. I prefer to just like have bird shots, do bird shots, but the fireworks would be cool to do at night. So, some of these people who get these amazing shots don't always have honest photography. Oh, that's awesome, a giraffe. Oh, lightning, check that out. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. I'm liking this app. Like, I haven't played with it 100%, but I could put a moon in the midday. That is crazy. Check that out. Oh, look, Austin has mountains now. This is interesting. I'm having a lot of fun, clearly you can see. But what I'm doing is showing you all of the things that you can do with this app. And the photo itself I took, as you saw, the original, it's like this, vanilla. And then I'm just changing the sky and anything that's going to basically be like a stamp in the background. But this is a lot of fun. Yeah, a plane is believable in Austin. Okay, let's see. That's another plane. Planets. Oh, wow. It's crazy. That's Jupiter. Anybody knows that one. Oh, wait, no, I had it backwards. Maybe that was a different planet. There's Jupiter. Or maybe it's the same planet. Ah, there's Saturn. Oh, look at that. You can add a rainbow. I like that. Okay, I like that too. And then a space shuttle. Although you wouldn't see that in Austin. You would see that in Houston. All right, so how do I remove it? How do I go to none? No. I want to remove the object. Ah, okay, here we go. Atmosphere. Ooh, look at this. Layered fog. Mist. I don't really see the difference in this. I may not use it. Haze. Okay, so sun rays. This is a cool thing. You can place like the sun right here, and then you can change the amount of brightness that's coming through. You know, say the sun was like somewhere right here, and then you have some rays coming down. I think that's pretty neat too, although I'm not going to use that. Dramatic. Oh, okay, cool. It's almost like you can change the sky on the dramatic mood. Okay. Oh, okay, now I'm changing the photo overall. Oh, I like that. Long Beach is pretty. Okay, so they all have different, oh, that's super bright. Riverside, San Diego, Santa Barbara. Okay. So this is not bad. I like that these have filters. It's kind of like what you do when you're playing with Instagram and you're just swiping around. That's kind of what this is to make like people's whose Instagram photos do whatever. You can choose all these filters here, which I think is pretty amazing. And it changes, you know, the overall photo, and I think that it meshes pretty well, but Kodak. Nah. Nah. No. I think... I don't know. I'm trying to go with what feels right. I mean, these are all like warming and cooling filters for those who don't know what filters are. I feel like Anaheim is good. And you can change the amount. I'm going to change it to 6 and just leave it at that. All right, let's go to toning. I don't really see a difference in that, so we're just going to leave as is. Matte. Okay. That's basically making your photo look flat. And I don't really care for the matte feature. Mystical. So, ooh, if I wanted to make it look dreamy, check that out. It's kind of like blur, Gaussian blur. That's what this is to me. Glow. Oh, that's super bright. I don't want to do that. Film grain. Okay, let's see. Ew. No, thank you. All right. Let's see. Face, body, skin. So if I had a photo or portrait or something, this would come in very handy. I'm not doing that. So I think this is good. I think this is a pretty good photo as it is. Let's see, local masking, I don't need to do. We can see the history of the photo of everything I just did, which I think is really amazing. So let's look at the before and after. Boring, you know, slightly cold sky versus making the photo pop. I think that's really, really cool. So that's what I wanted to show you all in this video today. It is called Luminar AI. And I can probably use the exact same photo to show you in Luminar 4, the exact same things, but with different layouts. Luminar 4 has a couple of different features, and I'm still learning them. But they primarily do the same functions of what I need. And, you know, the newer one is Luminar AI, but they're not the same app. So I just want to make that very clear. They are not the same app. They're almost identical, but Luminar 4 has different features versus Luminar AI. And I think one of the features that they were primarily excited or heavy on was a rating system. I don't think that this one has that. I believe Luminar 4 does have a rating system. Oh, wait, never mind. I see an X and a heart. Maybe they changed it and people didn't pay attention to that. But this is editing my raw photo. So let's see. I want to go to File. Can I export this? Yeah. I'm going to call this Quality. Okay. We're going to call this... I can't spell today. All right. We're going to save. And I just wanted you all to see how the AI works. It's going to take a moment. I mean, it's processing a lot of data. But it's pretty amazing what it does for it being, you know, filters and what is it, artificial intelligence, augmenting your photo and adding in certain things. This is an amazing app. It's a very amazing app that you're able to do certain manipulations with the photos, otherwise that you would have to spend more time in Photoshop doing. And it's all literally just playing around like swiping filters. So I think this is very handy for those who want to, you know, make their Instagram photos or something pop. Would I do this as far as like actually changing certain things in the background? Probably not. I mean, I'm more proud of my work, so I would probably keep my photo like this, but maybe sharpen a couple of things here and there. Oh, look, it did it for me. That's really handy. I didn't have to do it. It did it for me. Awesome. Cool. Well, thank you for tuning in. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll post another video next week. Thanks for hanging out with me.